But let me tell you, I like you a lot, babe. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Then you want the shoe with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top.
Hey y'all, my name is Mia. I'm a junior biology major, chemistry minor from Waldorf, Maryland. I'm a new red on red team, and I'll be showing y'all how to do this. These are Bantu knots. And yeah, a lot of people have been asking questions, so questions, here's your answers. And yeah, so let's get into the video. I'm gonna just start off like this. Nothing that I'm doing is like technically like correct. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do, and y'all could try it if you want, but it's not technically correct. That's all I'm saying. I be ripping my hair out sometimes, like you just gotta get it done, okay? Most of the time I do it on dirty hair because I'm tired and I can't do my hair when it's wet, so I don't be feeling like blow drying. And I don't blow dry. I just put if I do it when it's wet, I put the blow dry, I cut it on and I just go like this. I don't brush it or nothing like that. I just make sure it's dry. Then I brush it just like this. So then I brush it later. But these are the products I use. Maybe I should start from the beginning. I don't remember what I do, but I use a water bottle somewhere. And I put this, whatever this is what I put on my roots only. And you don't have to use this at all, really. I started doing this one day because I used it once and it didn't look good the first day, but the second day, the curls separated on their own, and that was cool. This is Cream of Nature. It's a mousse, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna say you could use any mousse because I don't know. I ain't never used no other mousse, but I'm sure you can. Like, I just picked that up probably because it was one of the cheaper ones. I don't know. And then I use this on the ends. This is important. This is actually important. Both of these are important. This is so that it don't get puffy, like your roots don't be puffy. And this is for your ends. Your ends are important because if they look like this basically, and you wrap them up in the Bantu knots and you take it out, it's gonna look crazy. Like if you don't have this on the ends, like if your ends can't wrap around your finger, and my hair is damaged, so it ain't like it's gonna go like in a spiral curl around my finger. I'm just saying, if you can't twirl your finger around the hair, then you need to add some more of this. I start in the back. I don't do no parting. I don't have time for all of that. And I ain't done this in a minute, so I don't even know if I remember how to do it for real. But we gonna find out together. So this is when I use the water. I couldn't figure it out when I first had said it. And you gotta brush it, because if you don't brush it, it's gonna look a fool. And I shouldn't have wet it that much, so don't wet it that much. Okay, so we sprayed it. Then you add this stuff. Then you add this. Yes. Oh, I ain't show y'all how much I use. It's only a little bit, like that much. Just get it like a little bit wet. That's all. Then you put some of that mousse up on it so that your roots ain't flying away. And you pull it down. And this the important part. That was the mousse that I just used. Then this is the important part. The cream. Put that on the ends. And it's not supposed to be this wet. For real. So you start twisting. You make sure it's not like, it don't gotta be extra tight at the top, but if it's loose, then it might be puffy when you take it out. And that's the part I was saying that you know if you used enough cream or not, if you could do this, because the next part is gonna really show. I gotta open these rubber bands. I use rubber bands, you can use bobby pins, but bobby pins be hurting me and I don't really know how to do them. My hair be too thick and it be coming out, so I don't know. Maybe I just want to do. So then you twisting it so that it's like tension. It's not just like flingy, it's tension right here. And then you wrap it around and then you wrap under each one. And I untwist it as I go so it's not tight. And I'm looking at myself in the mirror, that's why I'm kind of sideways. And so y'all can see. And if your ends ain't tucked and you don't have no extra curly hair, this is not happening for you. You need to make sure them ends is tucked. But this is what it look like. So, dang, now I got too much hair. And then you don't always know if it's gonna come out right if you do it big. For as long as you tuck them ends, you gonna be fine. But at a point of time, actually I might still be doing it, I don't know. But sometimes we got games back to back, I be having to redo my hair every time, and I be being rough. So I was literally ripping my edges out. Like, they still kind of recovering a little bit. I mean, I got a couple of strands to spare, so you can't tell too much. But I was looking at them edges. I said, where my edges go? Like, joints was gone. Like, I mean, you probably can't tell, but maybe you can. That's embarrassing if you can. But get y'all up close and personal for this thing right here. So make sure when you're doing the front and probably the back too, make sure it's not too tight. So half my head is done. For me, my front needs to be the smallest. So this is when the whole part situation is important, because you don't have a part, you don't know which way your hair is going. When you take it out, it's just easier to let it have some, like, it naturally go this way if you part it this way and then twist it this way. I did actually do it close to this small one time because it was like the first game and I did not want to sit out. So I said, these gonna be little because it has to be right. And it did do right. If it's too dry to comb, then wet it a little bit, comb it. This is the mousse. Down top, drag it through. This is the cream for the ends. Start at the bottom, drag it up. Part it this way, not this way. Well, this one is not that bad since it's so small, but sometimes when you do it this way instead of this way, when you're trying to separate it, it be it's harder to get it to group, right? If that makes any sense. When you see it, you will know what I'm talking about, basically. This way is just easier to me. When it's time to take it out, not doing it. It's the same either way when you're doing it, but when you're taking it out, parting it that way is easy. In the back, it don't really matter because they be flying anyway they want to go anyway, so yeah. Make sure you got enough product on your end so that you can do this part. It's making it tighter so I can do this, whatever this is, and then it should wrap under itself. And I'm loosening it as I go. I'm twisting the opposite way of this twist so that it's not as tight, even though this is actually still kind of tight. But it's not like the worst, but it is kind of tight. I know it look crazy, but they finished. I got my game day face on. Ready for the game, baby. Take these rubber bands out. Pray to God these things dry. Yeah. So this is how it look when you take them out. Then you get this oil. Put it on your fingers so that it don't get fuzzy and stuff. And make it untwist. That's Siobhan in the background being annoying. Nobody but Siobhan. So you take it, you separate as much as you want, and you twist the ends. That's it. Come here, Siobhan, because I need to see your face. Because this is who's being annoying. This.
You want me to do mine?
Yeah. Yours.
A little bit. What is this?
This is not what you take then. That's not what you use if you don't know what it is.
I don't use anything at all. And I just pull them apart like that. You don't even look? I'm pulling them apart. Okay. And do this all over your head and do what she's doing. Oh no. Subscribe.
Ooh, I'm excited because that last one looked full. But listen, your girl is back, okay? Your girl is back.
Where did she leave?
That last game she left. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick it out with whatever kind of comb this is. Oh, sorry. Let me stop playing. I don't really not pick out my hair for real, so if you not pick out your hair, then don't do it like this. But if you don't know how to, do it like this. It's a good start. I think, at least. Gets the job done, for the most part. Alright, so I started the back. Ooh. And don't brush, like, to the ends, but, like, just drag it out some. And every time I first do, I be scared, so I don't never do it enough. But I go back. Because I don't want these joints all shrunk up into my head. And this side always be a lot bigger than this side, so I gotta try to get it to match too. Ooh. Sometimes the back be having part, so you gotta get rid of the parts too. I don't know what the back look like, but I'm not gonna touch these because these are already too low. When I get to cheering, they be right here. Can't see nothing. Not a thing. And for real, I need to go through and recoil some of these because they, when I pull them out, they be grouping together wrong sometimes. And I add some extra control. I have these two today because every time I use extra control, it just come up. So really, it's no point. I use any ones. I got a couple of them. This is just what I'm using today. So yeah, but this one be shiny. I don't like that. Looking like. Oh, then you add this. I think it's the same. Yeah, this is the milk and breakage serum. OGX baby. And this is weightless hydrating oil mist. And I just put that so extra shiny, looking healthy. A little bit deceiving, but it gets the job done. Okay, and I'll probably pull it out more before the game, but for right now, this is what it's gonna look like. Okay. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up, all of that. This is my Bantu Knots. And yeah.
So what did you do differently? Why was it so wet this time?
Too big. I'm about to cry.
Yeah, I understand.
Stop when you make me act stupid. Danger, Audie.
Hey y'all. Okay.
No, say it. Let me try it.
Go. Pick it up.